Counterfeit Cat-Astrophes? Sofa mysteries.
Hey!
There goes another one! Charles Anthony!
Lost forever!
But he must be under the couch somewhere.
No, once a cat toy's gone under the sofa, you never get it back.
But things can't just disappear unless...
Oh! See you next week, boys!
It's completely clean. No dust, no cat toys, nothing.
What's the squiggly hair thing?
Oh, that's why. There's a rip in space-time under the sofa.
Oh, don't be so ridiculous. Wow, so this is where all the cat toys go.
Ah, yes. It's definitely a rip in the space-time sofa continuum.
Watch Counterfeit Cat on Disney XD.